how this work. All right. Take that off first.
This is the bike ramp.
Ah. Oh, cool.
Ramp. Right here.
Yan yung bike namin.
Kind of heavy.
Ito yung bago kong bike pala guys, yung
I don't need it.
e-bike.
You might not need it. But...
Yeah. Yan yung bike niya. Tagal na ng bike niya. Yung upuan nga, oh, ano na, lumang-luma na.
These, I think, loosen this up.
Loosen it.
First bike on there.
My bike first. Yay! First time I'm gonna ride my bike. It's like a ramp. Okay. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. Bilhan natin to ng basket someday. I like to have basket, this one. And you can also put basket at the back. So, front and back. That's really cool. That's neat. Ganyan pala yan guys, oh. Yung binilhan pala namin nito, itong rack ng e-bike sa Outfitter website. Yung mga e-bike, yung mga parts ng e-bike yung halos binibenta nila. Kasi mahirap maghanap nito sa store. Saka sa store, nasa to, na may 1,000, may 3,000. Pero yung sa Outfitter, parang 150 yung pagbili namin.
Are you holding it?
Yeah, I'm holding it.
What's the total?
So, pag gusto yung bumili ng rack, lalo na pag mayroon kayong electric bike, punta kayo sa Outfitter. Outfitter.com.
Are you holding it?
Yeah.
It's tipping over.
Here.
Yeah, all right.
So yan yung ng bike. Yung pala niya, yung wheel. Lagayan ng wheel. This is really cool.
This goes around here. This wheel.
Okay. To tie it. This is very safety
Goes through here.
wrap. And then you tie it. Oh, I see. So you tie it as much as you can.
And send this down. Locks in.
Lock it. Okay.
This locks in. This strap holds it tight.
Okay, that's cool.
And then
And then this one too.
this one.
And then you pull that
Well,
back.
that was back up. Not here.
Pull it up higher.
Same thing. Loosen up the strap.
Okay.
Strap out.
And then tie it. That's cool.
I think it's, yeah, yeah, there we go. See?
You can turn left. You can turn left and right.
See that?
And then you tighten it again. That's cool. This is very safety.
See? Push it down.
To lock.
Oh no, that unlocks it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And tighten this up. You can slide.
Tighten it.
Okay. See?
Oh, this is good. There's another
Same
one.
Thing. You're right. Same thing there.
Okay, same thing. So that's very safety then, right? To safety. I'm gonna get ready also my water. Yung lagay natin ng water. Dito yan nilalagay guys. Pinalagay talaga to siya. Pinalagay natin. So hopefully meron tayong basket so we can put some our drinks and other stuff.
That's locked. That's locked.
Yeah, that's
Very sturdy.
Now you can put yours
Mine
too.
will be easy. Mine's more lightweight.
Yeah, very light. Yan yung sa kanya. Light lang yung bike
I'll
niya.
do the ramp for mine.
Yeah. And I think I have to charge this one, the e-bike, when we're done, right?
Hmm?
We have to charge that.
You already did that, right?
Last time, we
We did. We haven't used it. We charged
Yeah.
it fully, didn't we?
because we didn't use. So it's still fully charged. And then sa kanya,
My bike won't need the ramp.
yeah, it's very light. That's his bike. How old is your bike now? 10 years old? At
No
least?
more than that. About 15 years, I'd say. At least.
15?
Maybe 20 years.
20? Wow.
Maybe 20 years.
Why you don't want to buy another one? Expensive?
Yeah. I don't ride very much, obviously.
Oh, yeah.
I'll do this first.
So you do the same thing. So the same thing pa rin, guys. So sa kanya, medyo light. Mine is kind of heavy.
See?
Okay. And then put in there. It's actually easy, right?
Yeah, very easy.
And then tighten it.
Yeah.
So even that one only alone, it's already, hold tight.
Yep.
You don't really need to put everything.
Yeah, you're right. You're
Because
right.
it's so,
This is like,
see,
this
it's
is like
already,
extra.
yeah,
so,
that's just an extra.
yep. Yep.
Extra.
There's no way. There's zero chance with all these three. There's zero chance it ever fall off.
Yeah.
Huge bumps.
Yeah. And then where this one go? You put that back?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Ramp. Put the ramp back.
For the ramp, I see. So, that's all, guys. It's actually easy. It's just hard to connect the rack to the hitch. We're having hard time earlier, but I figured it out. So, we're ready for our bike. The sun is coming now. Dito lang kami magbabike malapit sa area namin. Sa Legacy Park. Right? Legacy Park. Okay. Enjoy your Sunday, your weekend. Thank you, guys.